Within the first month of application, voila, there was improvement. The bald spot started growing baby hairs and my hair grew. This DIY is a game changer for me. Well, if this is what you are interested in, you're welcome to my channel. If you are just joining in for the very first time, please subscribe to my channel so you miss out on tips I'm going to be sharing on my channel. First of all, I'm going to get my aloe vera. I'm going to extract the aloe vera juice into a blender. Aloe vera helps to soothe the scalp. It conditions the hair to make it look silky and shining. It contains vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin B12 and other materials. It moisturizes hair, preventing hair loss, reduces dandruff, unblock hair follicles. Then I'm going to peel my onion, wash it, slice it, and also blend it. Onion juice improves circulation of blood in scalp, making the hair develop and grow. I'll be slicing this onion into tiny pieces and I'm going to be blending it with the aloe vera so that I'm going to get the juice from the onion. Onion juice helps me develop a thick and a fuller hair. Then after that, I'm going to get my garlic. I'm going to peel 2 to 3 garlic and also slice it into small pieces and blend it together. Garlic straightens hair, stop breakage, and also it gives follicles more volume. After blending, I'm going to use sieve to extract the juice from this DIY. After I'm finished extracting the juice, I'm going to put it in a container. Then it's time for application. I'm going to be applying this juice containing my aloe vera, my onion, and my garlic. I'm going to be partitioning my hair into 6 to 7 segments and then shake this DIY properly and begin application right from the roots of my hair down to the tip of my hair. But especially I'm going to be applying this DIY to my front edges, for it to sink in my edges. This DIY, I've been using it for a month and I can say it for free that this DIY is a game changer. This is the exact DIY you need. After applying, I'm going to be detangling my hair and braiding my hair into weaving or something. The only issue I have with this DIY is the smell, the pungent smell of onion and garlic. But for that smell, I'll be showing you how I was able to overcome the smell of garlic before this video elapses. I'm going to still continue applying this DIY. I struggled for years with thinning edges and sparse hair. But when I discovered this DIY, I just wanted to grow my edges. But then I ended up with a 3-in-1 package. I grew my edges, I had fuller hair, and I also had longer hair. And I had this baby hair all around me, and then I love this so much. So I'm just still going to continue applying this DIY all over my hair. Let me give you free tips on also growing your edges and your hair. It is advisable you eat more fruit and vegetables, drink plenty of water, consume more high quality protein, that is fish and beans. You eat more of it. Limit your intake of red meat. Get plenty of rest. Exercise more, quit smoking, and also limit your alcohol intake. You're not just going to grow healthy hair, but you're also going to grow a glowing skin. This treatment may take a few months. Give your hair the space. Enjoy the treatments. Be patient with your hair. Let's walk through the journey together because I'm also trying to grow a longer hair to my waist length. According to American Academy of Dermatology (AAD), you may lose 50 to 100 hairs a day. I know how frustrating hair loss can be, but the issue is when you are losing hair and then your hair is not growing enough to replace the hair you are losing. Then I'm going to cover my hair for 30 minutes for the DIY to sink in. Then I'll wash with a mild shampoo and cool water. After washing, I'm going to be using Elan conditioner, to condition my hair, to make my hair soft, to detangle my hair. This conditioner prevents split ends. It protects my hair, moisturizes hair strands, and also softens the hair. I'm going to be running this conditioner over my hair. Another bonus of this conditioner is it has menthol, which cools my hair whenever I apply. I love the feeling it gives to my hair. Then after applying, I'm going to leave it on for 5 minutes and I'm going to rinse off with cool water. I've rinsed it off, and after rinsing, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go over my leave-in conditioner, miracle leave-in conditioner. This conditioner is what I was talking about when I said I'm going to eliminate onion and garlic smell. This is the conditioner I'm going to be using. It has this nice smell. Then after that, I'm going to be using macadamia oil. Macadamia oil is a game changer. This is the best oil I can use for my hair. It has this baby's aroma, and also when after this DIY, I did not even perceive anything of garlic or onion. It was only the clothes, the singlet I was putting on, which I washed immediately after, but my hair smelled nothing close to garlic or onion, all thanks to macadamia oil and miracle leave-in conditioner. I'm going to apply this macadamia oil in my hair, especially my edges. Then I'm going to be applying refined shea butter in my hair. Shea butter protects hair from damage by environmental factors by forming a barrier on the hair shaft. It nourishes the hair, strengthens hair fiber, and prevents hair aging. Environmental factors like cold heat can be dangerous and prevent hair growth, but shea butter helps me to protect my hair. And then after that, I'm going to use a wild comb to detangle my hair, and I'm going to be weaving my hair into sections as a protective hairstyle. My hair is a proof that DIY works. I've not been where I really want to be yet, because I want my hair to get to my waist and still way more than that. I want my front hair to be still longer than this, because as you can see, it's just baby hair I have. You needed to see my hair before this DIY. Like, my bad hair was really, really bad. But this DIY is quite effective. I use this DIY once a week. So I'll advise you do the same at least once a week or twice a week, as the case may be, or if you find suitable. But because sometimes engaged, you want to know the order, I do it once a week. That's every Saturday, which is my wash day. I'm just going to braid my hair into section, guys. And after I've braided the protective style for my hair, guys, can you see the edges? Like, I love the edges. It's baby hair, but there is hope. This baby hair is still going to grow. This macadamia oil I used is quite effective. I'm going to be massaging my edges a lot, because massaging also helps boost hair follicle. Don't you watch this video to this point? I love you so much. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get updated whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. I love you so much. Kissy.